Well, hello. My name is Robert Bertrand. I'm the Smartphone Solution Specialist here at Computers Unlimited. I've been with Computers Unlimited almost 11 years now. I've been working with Tim's Delivery product since its inception about 6-7 years ago. Tim's Delivery is a smartphone and tablet application that was designed by CU for delivery drivers. So drivers can load their orders onto the application and go out and make their deliveries, collecting any sort of serial numbers, asset numbers, rental numbers. You can take images with the application and attach those to the app. Does all sorts of validation and verification against Tim's to make sure that you have clean delivery tickets. And then once the driver completes the delivery, he actually has the ability to collect the signature from the customer and then either email or print off a copy of the proof of delivery receipt and provide that to the customer. So what happens? What does the implementation plan look like? Once we get the word from sales that a customer has purchased the product, I will reach out to them and provide what we call our questionnaire, just a bunch of questions on how you currently run your delivery processes today to sort of help us understand what your business processes look like. And then from there, we will set up a kickoff call with you and anybody else that you think needs to be a part of it. And we will review that questionnaire, answer any questions that you may have, and then kind of put in place an idea, a plan for what a go-live is going to look like. Usually after that kickoff call, I then set up a full end-to-end demo of the application. That usually takes about an hour and a half to get through everything. And I go through into great detail all the different functions and features that are available in our application. That helps provide a solid base of knowledge for our next step, which is to actually set things up. I like to work with customers either in their test or their play environment first to set up the application, the various options, authorizations, and configurations. And then we provide some test cases that we kind of help you work through. And the idea there is to have a full and complete understanding of how the product is going to work within your business before we actually move it over into a live environment. Once you feel comfortable with where the application is and how we have things set up, I will then work with you to move those settings into live and to train your users. Some customers prefer an on-site training. So I've traveled all over the country doing ride-alongs, training drivers. Others are perfectly fine doing remote training. And so I'll do remote over the internet with you and usually record that and can provide you a copy of the recording if you ever need to show that to any new drivers or anything like that. Throughout the whole process, I like to have weekly or bi-weekly calls, usually short kind of touch point calls, just to make sure that we're answering any questions, addressing any issues, and to help make sure the product is still moving forward. And we will continue those calls all the way past your go live for as long as you feel that they are necessary and helpful, and then we'll drop those calls off. We also have a programmer who is dedicated as our 24-hour support. So if anything comes in overnight or early in the mornings or on weekends, we do have a member on staff who is dedicated to the smartphone applications and can help with any sort of issues that come up.